Now, we are going to blending, yeah? Just like yesterday, okay? Miss Maya will take one pictures and put it here, okay? Okay, can you say what pictures is this? Fan. Good job. Fan. Like this. And then the next letter is? Good. And it's next one is okay, now it's time for us to blending, okay? Can we blending one by one, okay? Ready? And how we say together? Fan. Good. Next is, what is this, everyone? Hat. Okay? Hat. What is the first letter? Good job. It's and then yeah. Good job. And us is it's hat. That must be okay. Okay, it's time to us to blending, okay? Are you ready? Let's go blending one by one. Say hat. One more time. Hat. What do we say to